Hello everyone, welcome to another video of VIT Infopedia. Today's topic of discussion will be if a student wishes to take PCB or PCMB in their plus 2, then what are the different career prospects they have and how can engineering prove to be a very good career path for them. So, if you like the video, please share it with your friends and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. So, the first thing which comes to a student's mind after they choose to take PCB or PCMB is they have a lot of questions and confusions in their mind regarding what can be like the best career path for them in future and how can they pursue biology as their career in future and what can they do, like what are the different branches and streams and how can they study biology and do something more in the field of biology. So generally student thinks that there are only two options left with them, that is either they go for academics or medical. Most of the student go for medical entrance exam, and as you know in our country presently it is very difficult to crack the medical entrance exams, and that's why most of the student end up with only two options in their hand. Either they go for the academics or they end up taking engineering. Now when they go for engineering, they just randomly take up branches which they have no idea about, like either they go for computer science engineering or ECE or civil or mechanical or any engineering branches randomly without having any knowledge about them, and that's why their future becomes very confusing. They don't know what they can do or what they want to do. So here I come with very good branches which you can take up in engineering if you really want to study biology. So in engineering basically there are a lot of branches which are dedicated specifically to biology, but very few people know about it or have knowledge about it. Now why should a person or a student take a technical degree, an engineering degree over an academic degree? So you have two advantages to it. Like firstly you get a technical degree, and second is that because you get a technical degree you have better placement opportunities, you have better job opportunities coming to you. So obviously technical degree proves to be a better in comparison to the academic degree which you get, and I think these two are the advantages due to which your future becomes very secure and very so, because I am a student at VIT Vellore, I'll be talking about the branches which VIT offers to the students so that they can pursue their career in biology. The first is CSE Specialization Bioinformatics, second is ECE Specialization Biomedical, third is Biotechnology, and fourth is Bioengineering. So these are the four branches which VIT offers, and VIT also offers MTech programs for all these four branches. So you can even go for higher studies at VIT Vellore or any other VIT in these four branches. So VIT also has a specific chapter called the IEEE EMBS, that is Engineering in Medicine and Biology Society, which is specifically dedicated to develop your skills in biology and medicine. It has various departments like events, publicity, research and development, editorial, designing, and many other departments are there. You can join either of the departments after you give an interview and you get selected for it, and then they conduct various events, they conduct various programs, events, and different things, blogs and all, in which you can participate and you can enhance your skill, and you can also contribute being a member to that particular chapter. So this is how VIT helps their students to pursue their career, pursue their dream to do something in the field of biology, in the field of medicine. Last but not the least, I would like to say that if you really love what you have chosen, you should not end up giving it up or compromising by taking any other thing. You should respect the choices you have made in life, and you should be happy about the choices. And I think there are many engineering colleges which offer these branches if you do proper research about it, and it is very good if you go for these branches, you will have a very good career prospect. So I hope you like this video. Thank you and have a nice day.